shoot. Man, she's fast. Yep. Yep. We are going to make my Jeep tow worthy. Does not like change. Yay, the wiring is still attached. It means I'll still have fog lights when I need them. It's taking a while. It's kind of getting there.
Sounded solid.
Yeah, Piper was very into it.
Draw this hole out.
It's looking more like it's getting halfway there.
So one of these days.
This is a lot more time consuming than I remember yours being.
Yeah, your Jeep sucked.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be easier, but wrong again. The Jeep will be ready to be towed soon enough. Yay! Then we will have options. Mike's Jeep or my Jeep. We finally received the towing harness kit for my Jeep, so now we can finish the installation.
Made all the connections. It's all heat shrinked and it's in the Jeep position. We're gonna check the lights. Turn the key on for me. Left turn, right turn, brake light, and parking lights. Yay, it works.
It is done. It took a while, but it's hopefully going to be worth it.
I don't know what, 2 hours, 3?
Yeah, something like that.
3 hours. This kit was $150, $157, I think. The difference is that this doesn't use any diodes.
Yeah.
The other kits, you have to pull both taillights out and splice into the wiring, put it all back together, run the wiring from the back all the way to the front. This is different because there's no diodes, so what you have is a switch right here. Right now it's in the down position for Jeep. That means that the Jeep is controlling the lights. When we hook it up to the motorhome, flip that up to tow, that means the tow vehicle is now connected to the lights.
That's kind of nice.
You just gotta, remember to flip the switch. But every time, literally every time before we leave and go anywhere, I do a light check.
Yes.
All the way around, I do a light check. So I will remember to flip this into tow.
Yeah.
Because the lights won't work.
Yeah, it's always a good pre-check.
And when we unhook, if we leave it in the tow position, there won't be any tail lights or turn signals on the Jeep, but on the dash, it'll tell you that the bulbs are out. If you get a message that says the bulb is out, the switch is in the wrong position.
So how do you think this kit overall, as a whole, including the wiring, Piper was a very big help.
Yes.
Versus your Jeep. Mike has a 2016 and mine's a 2020, so they're slightly different.
The wiring on yours was definitely easier.
Okay.
Because everything's spliced right here inside the passenger door.
Yeah.
The base plates, the brackets that connect to the frame, way easier on my Jeep.
Okay, so it's kind of like an even split.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pay me now, pay me later. Since we got my Jeep ready to be towed behind the Wraith, I mean, I will admit, it does look pretty good. So I'm gonna try to hook it up and make sure all the lights work before we leave. I'm gonna do this all by myself. Mike is not even home. He is still at work. Let's do this. There. I think I got it all hooked up right, and I only got a little bit dirty. Just wanna do some light checks. No blinky blinky. Oh yeah, I kinda need to do this. Whoops, blonde moment. Let's try this again. We have blinking. Yay! I did it all by myself. So do you guys like the setup better, or do you like Mike's Jeep? The Papa Blue or the black to match? But I'm pretty pleased. Good job. Yay me. I hope this goes well. I need to get to work tomorrow.
We'll see if it still drives after we get back.
Yeah, I don't want to become an internet meme. So far, so good. It is still back there. I don't know if you can't see through all the shine. You can just see Mike's shirt.
That was great.
Yeah. We have returned.
Everything went perfect.
From what we can tell at this point, everything went smooth and it did a good job.
Yeah. The quality of that wiring harness was outstanding.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
We're not in any way affiliated with Cool Tech, but we'll put a link in the description to their wiring harness to make them for the JK and the JL Wranglers. I put, I think, a Roadmaster kit on my Jeep, which is a JK. And in comparison, that Roadmaster kit's junk.
It took a lot. Well, you had to pull out the taillights. I remember that vividly, and running wire on both ends. And
I had to cut the brake light switch under the dash and put in a relay so that way my brake lights didn't come on when the Patriot pushed the brake pedal. But this one, we don't have to do that. And this one was $157. We paid in full for it. It's just a product that I really like. I think it's a really, really good product. So if you're interested in a wiring harness, I recommend you check them out. We'll put a link in the description. So
good. Now let's see if the Jeep is still working condition.
It'll be fine. What do you say we head west?
That sounds like a plan to me.
All right.
Piper, you can't do this every time I tell you to go in the house. You can't just lay down and get out of it.
Come on, let's go inside. Come on, Pipe. Come on, Pipe.